Desiderata, simple rules for happy, peaceful life. Ever feel like the world is shouting? A constant storm of notifications, opinions, and pressures. In all that noise, it's easy to lose the sound of your own voice. But what if there was a compass? Ancient wisdom for a modern soul. A way to find peace right here, right now. It starts with one step. Go placidly amid the noise and haste. You don't have to join the frantic rush. Find your own current. Be on good terms with all persons, but never at the expense of your own truth. Your quiet center is your greatest strength. And speak your truth quietly and clearly. It's not about being the loudest voice in the room, but the most authentic. And listen to others, for even the dull and the ignorant, they too have their story. Every soul carries a different song. What can you learn by truly listening? If you compare yourself with others, you may become vain or bitter. The highlight reel of others is not your reality. There will always be greater and lesser persons than yourself. So, simply enjoy your achievements as well as your plans. Your path is yours alone. Walk it with grace. And above all, be yourself. Do not feign affection. Neither be cynical about love. For in the face of all aridity and disenchantment, it is as perennial as the grass. You are nurture strength of spirit to shield you in sudden misfortune. But do not distress yourself with dark imaginings. Many fears are born of fatigue and loneliness. Beyond a wholesome discipline, be gentle with yourself. Find peace in your own soul.